Hey folks, I wanted to share some updates on the mind mapping add-on for Notion. So here you can see this is a mind map that is synced with the Notion database. So we have a relationship column which manages the parent and child relationships. So let me show you it working. So first thing is, why would you need an add-on like this? So this mind mapping is a good way to communicate your ideas for brainstorming. So then you can use it for brainstorming. So so here I'm kind of brainstorming what features do I need to build in this? How do I grow this app? Right? So as you can see, whatever I'm adding here is being mapped into a Notion database. Okay. Then whatever you add as tasks here, so basically you're turning ideas into actions. So now that I'm building this, maybe in Notion, I could add a checkbox to say whether this is done or not. Maybe I could group into releases in a Kanban board, now, next, later, those kind of tags. Uh, so that is why we are building this app. So how would this work? So you'll be able to create mind maps. Maps and say you'll be able to edit mind maps. So how do you create? So you'll be able to, let's say, import or create a new one map from this app. Right? So you create one and it syncs as it creates a new Notion database and syncs with it, or create a mind map with an existing database. So let's say you already have a database with some information. You'll be able to connect it with this app and start creating a mind map from there. And we also want to give an option to import mind maps from, let's say, Xmind or any other software that you're using today. Okay, and in terms of editing, how would this work? So what you're seeing right now is the app in action. Along with this, we'll be adding some more features like drag and drop. So you wanted to drag and drop a node to some other parent, you should be able to do that. Then expand and collapse. We don't have it right now, but that's something that I'm working on. Then only keyboard navigation. So without having to switch between a keyboard and mouse, you should be able to use this. And maybe so we want to be able to see any additional fields that we add here on Notion on the mind map. Uh, so so this is how the mind map looks like as of now. So let's see how much would it cost. So once we launch, it's going to cost $99 per year. Okay. But in the beta, we want to give it out for $49 lifetime deal. So this is for those who purchase it before it's in a public launch, and once you purchase, you'll get all the add-on features. But this will be for a limited time. So if somebody is interested in this, leave a comment and I'll share the link for the payment and how do you earn and collaborate with us. So if you're a Notion ambassador, we'd love to collaborate with you. If you make templates or if you have an audience who works on Notion, or maybe you have a YouTube channel on productivity, just reach out to me and we'll discuss how to collaborate. Or maybe you create templates and maybe you have a newsletter. So what we are offering is an referral commission of 25%. So basically you can use this app and also refer to anybody who follows you and you'll get a commission of 25%. This was a quick demo of how this app is going to work, and I'd love to hear what you think about it. How does it fit into your workflow? If you have any ideas of use cases or any features that we want to see on this, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, folks. Bye.